To inspect and adjust the drive belt tension on your Indian Chief, follow these steps. Park the bike on a flat level surface and allow it to cool completely. Then, place the bike in an upright position with the front wheel clamped in a wheel vise. Next, remove the saddlebags if equipped by freeing the buttons on the side and unbuckling the lid clasp. Then, open the lid and remove the saddlebag fastener bolts inside. Continue by removing the saddlebag lower support bolts from the passenger foot peg mount. Then, lift the saddlebag straight up and out to remove. Next, ensure the motorcycle is in neutral. Then, safely elevate the rear wheel so the tire can freely rotate. The motorcycle must be stable before proceeding. Inspect the entire length of the drive belt for wear or damage. Refer to your owner's manual for belt wear analysis and see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer if replacement is needed. Next, check and record the belt deflection, applying 10 pounds of force. Ensure the belt is dry before measuring. Locking a tape measure will make it easier to maintain consistent measurements. Using the tire valve stem as a reference, measure at 3 additional points 90 degrees apart. If adjustment is needed, rotate the wheel forward and mark the tightest measurement point on the tire for reference. Also, mark the current adjuster locations on both sides of the rear wheel for reference. Then, count or measure the exposed threads past the adjuster nuts for reference. Next, loosen but do not remove the axle nut. Then, retighten the nut to the adjustment specification. Then, turn the right side adjuster nut as needed to achieve proper belt tension. Use the left side adjuster only to make final adjustments for belt alignment. Ensure the axle is seated forward against axle adjusters. While rotating the wheel backward, tighten the left side adjuster until the belt comes off the inside sprocket flange. Sprocket teeth should be visible on both sides of the drive belt. Once the desired setting is achieved, rotate the wheel forward and verify the sprocket teeth are still visible on both sides of the drive belt. If necessary, revert to the initial settings and repeat this process as needed. Recheck drive belt tension to verify it is still within specification. Improper tension or alignment can cause driveline noise and damage the drive belt. Once the tension has been confirmed, tighten the rear axle nut to the final specification. Next, pump the rear brake pad several times to reset brake pad distance. When the brake pad is released, verify that the wheel rotates smoothly and freely without drag. Then, safely lower your motorcycle to the ground. Refer to your owner's manual for helpful hints and techniques. Next, begin reinstalling the saddlebags by placing them into position and aligning the mounting holes. Reinstall the fasteners and torque to specification. Finally, close and secure the saddlebag lids. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.